Hello and welcome to Garden Quilt and Art Traditions. You will notice that I changed the name to GQuat, which is the same name but in abbreviation form so that you can remember it. When I first started, I did not know 500 people on YouTube, and I wanted to explain what my platform is about. Today we have an amazing mail haul and we have an interesting art reveal. I have several projects to show you and I'll be right back to start showing you what they are. Welcome, peace, love, and blessings. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. The first thing I want to show you in my mail haul is a prize that I received from Blissful Acres Off-Grid. They're in Arizona when they reached their 1,000 subscribers. I just love getting things that are handmade because nobody ever gives me things because they know that I make things. So anyway, the first thing I want to show you is this beautiful, beautiful handmade casserole cover. Not cover, it's a casserole base so that you don't burn your table when you put it on. And I love these neutral colors. They'll fit right in with the things that I have there. Oops, dropped something. The next thing that was in the box was a small handmade cloth bowl. You make these by taking rope and sewing around and around and around them. Most of you know I teach arts and crafts, and I have been part-time for many, many years. This is a larger bowl, same beautiful, I would say autumn neutral colors. She also made some cocoa butter. Again, this is Susan at Blissful Acres Off-Grid. Sorry for the paper rattling. She even handmade the cutest little instruction tag, and she hand wrote everything, and even the front of this is a small piece of art. I have a, where is it? Oh, I also have an Afghan. My mother, who will be 91 in 2 weeks, had my cousin drop her off. She sneaked up on me last weekend. And here is a really big Afghan that she crocheted for my brother-in-law. I have known how to crochet since I was 4 years old because we were not allowed to watch TV except on the weekends. So we had to have something to do. Knitting was not an option because I'm the oldest of 6, and the kids that get on your nerves, something might happen to them with a knitting needle. Here is a different Afghan that I'll be teaching later on to show how to make, and it's just a double crochet, and you crochet 3 strands of wool or whatever you choose at the same time. The next interesting thing, I'm so excited, from Gigi Naturals Homestead, I received some seeds and a little thank you card for being part of her group. And they're pink eye cowpeas and sugar snaps. I can't wait to plant them because it's getting cold here, so in Connecticut 6B, so we will not be doing any planting here. Except for the fall crops. I've already gotten my fall crops in the ground, and she sent me a sports fan. The fan fits around my neck, and you put batteries in it, and it keeps you cool. I am so excited. Yankee's sister, one of my neighbors nearby, has one that her sister gave her, and she just loves it. Another something, I know many of you are crocheting, and I wanted to show you a little small crocheted rug. It's made with rag strips. I have a method of connecting them into a ball so that you can crochet them without actually sewing them. I will be showing how to do that later on this fall. Oh, what's next? Oh, Mommy is always doing something. I said she'll be 91 on September 1st. She made a knitted scarf for my brother-in-law. Yes, it gets cold in Arizona. The next thing is actually something I bought myself. When you guys are out in 8B and 10 and all those warm places talking about what you're planting, and I can't even go outside, slipping and sliding in the salt out here, waiting for the maintenance man to shovel the snow and put salt down. Now, this is the herb package. I have Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, mint, thyme, and Thai basil. I'm so excited. I got black. I don't know which way is up. I got black because that's the accent in my senior handicap apartment, and that's what I will be doing this winter. The next thing I'd like to show you is a package from the Thomas family reunion. My mother's family, the Thomases, have been, well, first of all, we have a registered historic landmark. Our family cemetery, where my granddad is buried, is a Pennsylvania certified historic landmark. And it details our family history since the early 1800s, before the Civil War, when my great-great-great-grandfather owned a walk-in coal mine in Pennsylvania, in Hopwood, Pennsylvania. If you want to look it up, Google it. The Thomas Family Cemetery, Hopwood, Pennsylvania. I wasn't able to go to the reunion this year, but I did get a t-shirt for my mom and myself, and it tells the history of 4 brothers who were actually born free in the South in 1812. Okay, and there is a photo, for those of you who are doing genealogy, of the family reunion just 2 weeks ago. And my cousin also sent me another couple hundred pages of documentation for the family tree, which is, I don't know how many pages your family tree is. What we have documented just on my mom's side of the family is 154 pages on a PDF. It's quite a bit. So I just want to say this, that the gardening community is also a family. Most of you know I have 6 living generations. My mom, 91, me, I'll be 74 in a few months. I have 2 children, 1 daughter, 1 son in their 50s. I have 2 grandchildren, 1 great grandson, and 3 grandchildren. So I spend a lot of time gardening, quilting, doing the arts, but I spend time with my biological family and friends as well. Most of you know that I'm totally blind in one eye. I was legally blind completely 2 years ago. I had surgery. I can see out of one eye, but I cannot watch TV monitors or telephones all day or TVs. So usually I come in, put my glaucoma drops in my eyes, take a nap in the evening. So I hope you guys aren't offended. I try to support as many of the gardening family as I can. I try to stop by, leave little notes, little messages, but that's about the best I can do. And like a family tree, there are many branches, many roots. So the gardening community is part of my family tree. My friends are part of my tree. And I even have friends that I've known for the last 70 years. I have friends that are young, that are old, and I really appreciate the gardening community. Thanks for coming by and thanks for watching my videos. I am so excited, and I will be doing a lot more physical things. I had a hip replacement and a knee replacement last year, so now I'm getting back active. Okay, peace, love, and blessings. I love you guys. See you soon.